Okay, so guys, this is how I draw eyes. Wait, sorry. Okay, this is how I draw eyes. Isn't it cute? And oh my god, it's so cute! And add some more details, but yeah. It looks so cute, guys. And this is the last one. That's the angry one. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, here it is, guys. I'm gonna show you now. I don't know why I like this though. The eyebrows are wrong. And that's how I draw ugly eyes. No, angry eyes. And this is how I draw myself.
Ugly eye?
This is not ugly eyes. This is a face.
Oh yeah.
You dumb stupid idiot.
Not stupid. You're stupid.
You're the one who's stupid.
No, you're stupid.
Yes, you are.
No, you're stupid.
You're stupid. Oh, what the fuck?
Shut the fuck up in your teeth.
Bro, I'm literally recording. I will tell your mom. What did you just say? Repeat that again and I will tell your mom. Okay. Dang, that nose. Ah! This is too much. Okay. Okay, that's it. I'm going a circle. Oh, hey, no. Yeah, that's how I draw myself. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. Looks like you, by the
Not
way.
me.
Let me just draw eyebrows. Yeah, it looks so cute. And when I have extra time, I will draw something. Okay, so let me just draw. I pretty suck at drawing something that is not a human. By the way, this is an octopus. I don't know how to draw an octopus.